Bakalım. Bak kur yapıyor.
Playing bird in Aya Sofya. Winter that violet winter. Cancel winter. Just cool weather but snow not come. But we can see the sun come. This is a very beautiful but still cool weather. I hope snow come, but I think this month not come snow. I don't know. Just waiting surprise about snow come in Istanbul.
İnşallah gelecek.
This is my husband said maybe next time come, but still we don't know about their time at all. Secret from our God. Oh, don't like this. Beside me in right, this is spa, Ottoman spa. You can see. This is what the name. Wow. Uy.
This kuş, bird,
Uy.
400 yıl, 200 yıl yaşıyor. You know before?
So, this is until 200
Yani
old.
bu kuş dedenin dedesini de tanıyor olabilir.
So very old.
Your grandmother.
Back again before, this is a pie in Ottoman time. Hurrem Princess Spa. Through my husband.
Yes. Hürrem Sultan Hamam.
Yes, Hurrem Princess. This is near Mosque. I think little easy to come in Mosque. Oh no, still waiting long time.
Evet. Şu anda Aya Sofya binasının, yani Aya Sofya Camisi'nin ön tarafındayız. Bunun arka tarafında Topkapı Sarayı bulunuyor. Topkapı Sarayı'na giden yol bu yolun devamı. Buradan müze kart alabiliyorsunuz. Tabi Turkish citizen farklı. And different country farklı. And different country. Şu anda hala muazzam bir şekilde Aya Sofya Camisi'ne giriş çoğunluğu var. Bir sürü people, so many people waiting and Aya Sofya.
Okay, next in our video. Bye bye.